Jared's gonna try riding the stand up. No, don't lift it up like that.
Like skateboard. Try to skateboard. There you go. There. Just like that. See if I can just hit the button and go, go!
Right, right. No doubt.
Okay.
That would be perfect.
Okay, snot it down, dude.
I don't know why.
Oh yeah! Dang it. There we go. Oh yeah!
Don't stand up.
Oh yeah, oh
he
yeah!
He stood up and he grabbed that throttle.
Right, yeah.
Hit the red button! Hit the red button!
Hit the red button! Alright, yeah! You rock! You rock! That was awesome! That was awesome!
I don't like that throttle. I do not like that.
Why did you stand up?
What?
Why did you stand up?
I don't know.
Don't stand up. Don't stand up. I don't want you to stand up right now. I want you to learn how to balance and learn how to throttle control before you get on and do that again, okay?
I tried to get it a little bit, but it went, yeah!
No, you went, Why? You should have been like this. You should have had like one finger on it. You had your hands out on it, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so, one finger.
That
One finger. Get your
was
hands closer. One finger.
scary!
It was awesome!
No, it went, yeah!
Okay.
And I got way out there that I didn't even know what to do!
You did good!
No, I
You
didn't!
turned around and came back!
I did suck it!
Okay. He throttles down. Whoa!
Yeah, I was waiting for him to go off the back.
I was too. I was like, oh, here it goes. We're gonna go rescue him. And he like just turned it around. I was like, right on.
With no weight on that ski, man, it's just like, run!
Yeah, no kidding.
You better be turning around, boy.
It died.
Oh, dude!
Oh no, he's still going.
Yeah,
Slow down when I turn.
Hey, stay closer! Stay closer! Stay closer! Don't go way over there. I want you to stay right there on that buoy. Go over here, but don't go any closer than right
that thing is scary! See that? Jetski is scary! It's scary! Ah! I didn't know I tried to turn the whole front thing, but I'm just like, how do you turn this thing?
He's trying to avoid her, is what he's doing. There you go.
Jared, you gonna do it again, right?
Yeah, this time I'm not gonna stand up.
Austin, he's doing fine.
Yeah, he's doing fine. Doing the whole freaking going the wrong direction again.
What the heck?
He said stay over here.
Wow, it's hard turning.
Oh. Yeah, it would. Yeah, it will. All you gotta
Turn!
give it gas.
You gotta give it gas.
Yeah, it won't
I told
turn
you
unless
that.
you give it gas.
I told you that. That was the first thing I said to you guys. First thing I said.
Not a dirt bike, it won't turn unless you're on the throttle. Actually, dirt bike's the same way.
Well, it'll turn without throttle.
Right,
Because you turn the bars.
right.
But you got no jet in the water, so.
It ain't doing
Okay.
nothing.
Okay, don't get up again. Okay? And you go around that buoy. You don't go way over where Austin did. You stay out here. You go out and around. You come over here a little farther, go out and around. But when you turn it, give it a little gap. And you'll go. Go! Go!
Go!
He does the same thing on his dirt bike. Hey,
Hey, hey, hey.
Learn how to throttle control. Don't go, go. No. Keep the throttle there. Keep a smooth rhythm. Pretty crazy? He's like, I don't want to go out there, Dad. You're scaring me.
Get eaten by the alligator.
Did he scare you? Did that scare you a little bit?
Scared him when he got up there and stood up on that thing and it took
I heard him
off.
screaming, dude.
Oh, I thought for sure he was going off the back. That is pristine video camera right there.
The only thing that could have made it better is if he would have went off the back.
Yeah, right.
What? Red button. No, you're a little bit too young, Michael.
Hey, why are they both